Papaya, a tropical fruit native to Mexico, has long been valued for its health benefits and unique taste. While the fruit's orange flesh is rich in nutrients like vitamin C, carotenes, flavonoids, B vitamins, and essential minerals, its seeds are often overlooked despite their powerful health properties. Here are some key benefits of papaya seeds. 1. Rich in antioxidants, papaya seeds contain antioxidants like phenolic and flavonoid compounds, which protect against free radical damage and may help inhibit cancer cell growth. 2. Antiviral and antibacterial properties. These seeds can combat infections, including Salmonella, E. coli, and dengue, helping boost overall immunity. 3. Kidney protection. Papaya seed extract may improve kidney function and prevent renal failure. 4. Regulate blood pressure. A compound in papaya seeds, carpane, helps lower high blood pressure. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Enzymes like chymopopin and papain in the seeds reduce inflammation, easing conditions like arthritis, gout, and asthma. 6. Improved vision. Nutrients in papaya seeds support eye health, regenerate cells, and may prevent cataracts. 7. Eliminate parasites. Proteolytic enzymes in the seeds help remove intestinal parasites and their eggs. 8. Enhance digestion. Enzymes like papain improve digestion by breaking down undigested protein in the stomach. How to use papaya seeds. Consume papaya seeds raw. Crush them with a mortar and pestle, or dry and grind them into powder. Add the powder to salads, smoothies, or soups. Start with 1 tablespoon daily and gradually increase to 2 tablespoons. However, avoid consuming papaya seeds during pregnancy or breastfeeding due to their strong effects. By incorporating papaya seeds into your diet, you can support your digestive health and enjoy a range of other health benefits.